You definitely must have heard that Elon Musk has taken up a passive stake in Twitter. It's a passive stake that is currently up about 29% because that stake actually, he took up that stake sometime in February. It is just coming to light today, the 4th of April 2022. So that stake is currently up 29% in this current session. So they also analysts also suspected that it may also lead to a more active stake and ultimately a more aggressive discussion to probably acquire the company. But in the same breath as well, they're also talking about, or rather, they're also trying to remind us that Elon has also talked about owning his own social media platform. At the same time, as well, also criticizing Elon Musk, Twitter for being undemocratic and all the stuff. So and some are saying he's diversifying his base, and they're also citing one of Warren Buffett's mantra, buy what you own. And then you could definitely, you can definitely agree that, to a great extent, Elon Musk knows Twitter. He has 80 million followers, and since 2009, he has tweeted 17,000 times. So 17,000 times. And yeah, a lot of things he would have benefited from that. And especially influencing the market, or in Tesla stock, and indeed all the other some of the other ventures he may have been involved in. So he definitely knows this market very well. This Twitter market, he definitely knows it. So in any case, the stock is on the move. That stake he has right now has increased by 29%. And there's every chance this stock is, Twitter is going to become a meme stock. That is quite likely. There's a good chance that might be the case. So we had earlier on in our live session today, the 4th of April, we have 3 short-term price targets. All of them have been reached as of now. All of them have been reached. The first target was, let me get that target. The first one was, let me get it if you don't mind. The first target was 48.80. That has easily been reached. The second one was 49.30. That's also been reached. And then the last one was 50.79. This last one, 50.79, we thought it was a bit ambitious, but it has also been reached. And the stock is trading currently around that sort of level, 50.79. So, just be really careful with Twitter. The popularity has grown, and there's going to be a lot of activity. There's going to be a lot of involvement with the stock. Market participants are going to be following it a lot. A lot of recent investors are going to be, recent retail investors are going to be getting involved. Already, it is definitely the most active stock in the session of the 4th of April 2022. Over 184 million shares, last time we checked, have crossed the tape. So that will continue to increase. And options, earlier in the session we checked one particular, the 50, the 55, the April 8 55 calls. It had increased by 9,700% at some point. So given the huge involvement, the huge volumes also crossing in the option speed, and then also on the option side, you would expect that yes, the sort of volumes you're seeing now will be there. So just know what you're doing with Twitter. If you know what you're doing, there's definitely a lot of money to be made scalping it. But in the long run, is there any chance it's going to continue to rally? Man, it's possible. It's possible. But for now, it hasn't really moved much. It's the last time we started to look at the stock, it has only gained about 7%. I mean, in this session alone, between the pre-market move, between the pre-market activity and now in this regular session, the only difference in appreciation is only 7%. So just really be really careful, okay? And I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.